How to recover deleted playlists on a Spotify. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Spotify app and then go to your library section by clicking on this most bottom option, and here you can see all your playlists. So firstly you have to delete the playlist. Let's see, click on the delete playlist and then delete, click on the delete, and here you can also long hold any of the playlists that you want to delete and then click on the delete playlist most bottom option, and then to sure that delete playlist, and now you have deleted the playlist. To restore the playlist, firstly open your Google Chrome app and then search for the Spotify app. So let's see, you can search for the spotify.com like this, and then search in your browser, and then you come to this page, and here what you need to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you can see the option of login. So you can log in by clicking on the login button, and here you can log in your preferred way, so you can log in. So when you log in into your account, what you need to do is you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you can see the side menu in the right side. Here you have to scroll down and then you can see the desktop site. Click on the desktop site, and it will open the desktop site version. Now what you need to do from here you can see your profile picture in the top right corner. Zoom in to your profile picture in the right side and click on your profile picture, and when you click on this, then you can see this page opens. So here you can see the recover playlist option. When you zoom in to the left panel, you can see the recover playlists option. Click on the recover playlists and it will bring you to this page. Here you can see all your playlist that you have deleted, and in the right side of playlist you can see the restore button to restore the playlist. So if you want to restore any of the playlist that you want, click on the restore button of the playlist, and it will saying that restored. It means you have recovered this playlist. So if you want to again restore any of the playlist that you want, so you can tap on the restore button in the right side of the playlist, and it will restore. So that's it, that how you can recover your playlist. You can again click on the restore button of this playlist and you can restore the playlist. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.